Hello, it's another unboxing, probably one of the last SaddleBox unboxings that I will be doing ever, because we've decided to go with a different subscription box, one that only comes 4 times a year, rather than to do SaddleBox, because to be honest with you, SaddleBox has started to repeat quite a bit. So here we go. Where do horses go when they're sick? To the hospital. Okay. These are dad jokes if ever I've heard them.
Hey.
Molasses ginger snap cookies. It's for the horse, William.
I didn't say nothing.
There we go. They look just like cookies. They're for the horse, William. Stable party sweetening mix. Marshmallows. Willow does really love those, I'm not gonna lie. She doesn't get a lot of them at once. Banana chips. The dogs love the banana chips. I'm not going to open them because they'll get soft. A hoof pick. I just bought 2 of them, but yeah, I own a horse. Can you tell? I scratch her butt. Can never have too many hoof picks. Hoof dressing. That's going to come in very handy. Oh, an actual real life halter. It's too big for either of my horses. Very, very small horses. It's nice. Dreamer will grow into it though. Willow will not. It's nice. Nice halter. A horse color chart. Life's a journey, enjoy the ride. And there you have it, another unboxing. See, she's not always in the cage. No cats jumped into it this time. She's mad at us because we gave her a flea treatment. And the treats will go into the cupboard. Gotta put the dad joke back in there. And yeah, this will probably be the last SaddleBox unboxing. It's just, some people might really like it, but $35 a month, $36 with shipping. I just don't feel that the value is there. So, my honest opinion, I wouldn't subscribe to it. It's just, my horse likes the treats, but, you know, I can get mini marshmallows at Walmart. I can get ginger snap cookies at Walmart. And I can make my own banana chips with my dehydrator, so I just don't think the value's there. And if you like this video, subscribe, comment, like and comment below on Facebook. It really does help us out. And y'all have a nice day. I'll talk to you later. Love ya. Bye.